Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how you can text people or send messages on TikTok. So, first of all, go to your TikTok and now go to your profile on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on these three lines on the top right side of your screen. Now go to settings and now tap on privacy. After that, scroll down and then tap on direct messages. Now you'll be given two options, friends and no one. So if you tap on friends, you'll be able to message your friends who you follow and also follow you back. And if you tap on no one, even if you follow them and they follow you back, you can't message them. So tap on friends and now let's send a direct message to someone. For example, if you want to send a direct message to this person, swipe to the left. And now, as you can see, there isn't any option saying message. So in order to do that, tap on follow and now you can see an option named message. So tap on message and now you can send the person a direct message. And now it will show a little not sent option or an error option, meaning the message will be sent only when the other user follows you back. So that is the only one limitation of TikTok. And one more thing, if you go to profile and follow someone and don't see the message option, it is because you are under the age of 16 and TikTok doesn't allow anyone under the age of 16 to send or receive direct message. So that is how. So if your account is under the age of 16 and you want to send message, you can simply change your birth date on TikTok and change your age from 16 to above so you can send direct message. So that is how you send messages to people or text people on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel.